What does God sound like? That's what I'm thinking. I'm wondering, what does he sound like? Because I hear all kinds of sounds in my head sometimes and voices. Not, I know, not voices, you know what I mean? Thoughts come into your mind and you think, well, is that God? Or, or maybe that's just me. And I don't know. Sometimes people make really big decisions based on these voices. And I'm just thinking, I don't know. It's so easy to get it wrong. How do we know when it's God's voice? That's my question.